Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the future of artificial intelligence. We're talking neural networks, machine learning, the whole 9 yards, to see how AI will shape our world just a couple short years from now. Buckle up, because these predictions for 2025 are going to blow your mind. From healthcare to transportation, entertainment to cybersecurity, AI is poised to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. We're going to break down the biggest trends, the most exciting breakthroughs, and maybe even some things that make you say, hold on, is that really possible? So grab your favorite tech, settle in, and let's explore the incredible potential of AI in 2025. Let's talk about healthcare. By 2025, AI could be your doctor's new best friend, or even a doctor itself. Imagine AI algorithms analyzing medical images with incredible accuracy, faster diagnoses, personalized treatment plans, and AI-powered robotic surgery. This isn't sci-fi, this is the near future of healthcare. AI can also help with drug discovery and remote healthcare. AI-powered telemedicine could bring quality care to anyone, anywhere. Challenges like data privacy remain, but AI's potential is undeniable. Next up, let's talk about the biggest challenge facing humanity: climate change. The good news is, AI might just be our secret weapon in the fight for a greener planet. Think about it. AI is incredible at analyzing massive datasets, and we've got tons of data about our planet's climate. AI can analyze this data to identify trends, predict future climate scenarios, and help us develop more effective strategies to reduce our impact. We're talking about optimizing energy grids for renewable sources, developing new materials for carbon capture, and even monitoring deforestation in real time using AI-powered satellites. But it goes beyond just analysis. AI can also help us adapt to the changing climate by predicting extreme weather events, managing resources more efficiently, and developing smarter, more sustainable cities. The fight against climate change is a massive undertaking, but with AI on our side, we've got a fighting chance. Let's talk about our everyday lives. By 2025, AI assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant will be more than just voice-activated helpers. They'll anticipate your needs, manage your schedule, and control your smart home. Imagine walking in, lights adjusted, playlist queued, and reminders set. AI assistants will become personal shoppers, recommending products and services. They'll help you learn new skills, translate languages, and provide real-time information. The line between assistant and digital companion will blur. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room: AI and its impact on jobs. It's no secret that AI will automate certain tasks, potentially displacing some jobs in the process. But here's the thing: AI will also create new jobs we can't even imagine yet. Think about it. Someone needs to design, develop, and maintain all these AI systems. We'll need AI trainers, AI ethicists, and specialists in fields like AI cybersecurity and data privacy. The key is going to be adaptability. As AI takes over repetitive tasks, we'll need to focus on developing uniquely human skills like creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. The job market of 2025 will be different, no doubt. But with the right preparation and a focus on lifelong learning, we can thrive in an AI-powered world. With great power comes great responsibility, right? As AI becomes more powerful, it's crucial that we develop ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure it's used responsibly. We're talking about preventing AI bias, ensuring data privacy, and addressing the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes. This is a complex issue with no easy answers, but it's a conversation we need to have now. Governments, tech companies, and researchers need to work together to establish clear rules of the road for AI development and deployment. We need to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. It's about finding the right balance between fostering innovation and protecting our values. It's a challenge, but it's one we can't afford to ignore. All right, let's lighten things up a bit and talk about entertainment. AI is already changing the game in the entertainment industry, and by 2025, it's going to be even more integrated. Imagine AI generating personalized movie recommendations based on your mood, creating custom soundtracks for your workouts, or even writing scripts for your favorite TV shows. We're talking about a whole new level of personalization and interactivity in entertainment. And let's not forget about video games. AI-powered characters will become even more realistic and responsive, creating truly immersive gaming experiences. We might even see AI creating entire virtual worlds that we can explore and interact with. The possibilities for AI in entertainment are endless, and by 2025, we'll be living in a world where our entertainment is tailored to our individual tastes. Let's talk transportation, specifically the future of driving. Self-driving cars have been a hot topic for years, and by 2025, they'll be a much more common sight on our roads. We're talking about AI-powered vehicles that can navigate complex traffic situations, avoid obstacles, and get you safely from point A to point B, all while you sit back and relax. This isn't just about convenience, though. Autonomous vehicles have the potential to make our roads safer by reducing accidents caused by human error. They can also optimize traffic flow, reduce congestion, and lower emissions. Of course, there are still challenges to overcome, like improving the technology's reliability in all weather conditions and addressing public concerns about safety. But by 2025, self-driving cars will be more than just a novelty. They'll be a viable transportation option for many people. Okay, let's get real for a second. As our world becomes increasingly digital, cybersecurity is more important than ever. The good news is, AI is becoming a powerful tool in the fight against cybercrime. Think about it. AI can analyze massive amounts of data in real time, detecting suspicious activity and identifying potential threats before they can cause damage. We're talking about AI-powered firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and even predictive analytics that can anticipate and prevent cyber attacks. But it's not just about playing defense. AI can also be used offensively to identify vulnerabilities in systems, track down cyber criminals, and even predict their next move. The cyber battlefield of the future is going to be a high-stakes game of cat and mouse. But with AI on our side, we've got a fighting chance of staying one step ahead of the bad guys. Let's talk about the future of education. AI has the potential to transform the way we learn, making education more personalized and effective for everyone. Imagine AI-powered tutoring systems that adapt to your individual learning style, providing customized lessons and feedback. We're talking about AI identifying your strengths and weaknesses, helping you focus on the areas where you need the most help. But it goes beyond just tutoring. AI can also help teachers by automating administrative tasks, grading assignments, and even personalizing lesson plans for individual students. This frees up teachers to focus on what they do best, mentoring students, fostering creativity, and creating engaging learning experiences. The classroom of the future will be a dynamic, interactive environment where technology and human interaction work together to unlock the full potential of every student. Finally, let's talk about the big picture, the future of AI and humanity. There's a lot of talk about AI replacing humans, but I think the real potential lies in collaboration. AI and humans have different strengths. AI excels at processing information, identifying patterns, and performing repetitive tasks. Humans, on the other hand, are creative, adaptable, and possess emotional intelligence. The future is about combining these strengths. Imagine AI working alongside doctors to diagnose diseases, collaborating with architects to design buildings, or partnering with musicians to create new forms of art. The possibilities are limitless. The key is to approach AI not as a threat, but as a powerful tool that can augment our abilities and help us solve some of the world's most pressing problems. So there you have it, 10 AI predictions for 2025 that will undoubtedly reshape our world. From healthcare to entertainment, transportation to cybersecurity, AI is poised to touch every aspect of our lives. It's an exciting time to be alive, folks. The future of AI is full of possibilities, and it's up to us to shape it responsibly. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Let us know in the comments which AI prediction you found the most surprising.